In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write text when sharing your screen in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a virtual meeting, conducting a class, or collaborating with colleagues, being able to annotate directly on your shared screen can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and master this straightforward process together. First, let's make sure you're in a Zoom meeting and ready to share your screen. If you're already familiar with how to navigate Zoom's interface, you'll know where to find the Share button. It's usually at the bottom of your Zoom window, right in the center. However, if you're not sure, just look for an icon that consists of a rectangle with an upward arrow above it. Go ahead and click this button and you'll see a list of options pop up. These options are possible sources you can share, such as a specific application window or even your entire desktop. Now that you've clicked on Share, Zoom will prompt you to select which part of your screen you wish to display. Carefully choose the one that contains the content you'll be working with. Once you've made your selection, simply click on the Share button located at the bottom right of this dialog box. Your screen is now visible to all participants, and you're ready for the next step. As your screen is now being shared, you might notice a new toolbar appearing usually at the top of your screen. This toolbar is packed with options, but the one we're interested in today is the Annotate feature. So, go ahead and find the Annotate button. It generally looks like a tiny pencil icon and is easy to spot. After clicking on Annotate, a new selection of tools will expand. You will see various options such as Draw, Stamp, Spotlight, and more. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on the option labeled Text. Select that, and you'll be able to click anywhere on your shared screen and start typing directly onto it. This is perfect for emphasizing important points, adding supplementary notes, or even just interactively engaging with your audience. Make sure your writing stands out by experimenting with the available options to change text color and size, ensuring clarity for all viewers. If you need to remove any of your annotations, the Annotate toolbar provides an undo function, or you could use the clear option to quickly erase everything and start fresh. And there you have it. You now know how to write text when sharing your screen in Zoom, adding a layer of engagement and interactivity to your virtual meetings. Feel free to practice this feature on your own to become more familiar with it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool as helpful as I do in your future virtual interactions. See you in our next video.